Look out. It took everything apart so I could put a can. Bring them back. Radiators. Got everything else. Went bad anyway. 2015. It look good on.
I might need you. I'll spend my money, you know what I'm saying?
We got the dual fuel pumps, 4 innovations. We got the Mad Max. We got the ice tank. We got the Valvoline 2050 finna get in that thing.
I had to do it, man. Everybody want to do the LS, man. I need to see what it's about.
Look out, look out. $2015 Caprice. We already took everything apart so I could put a cam in it. So, coming soon. Look how ugly it's looking. Spider webs, rags. Yeah. Coming soon. This a little insert. That's an out, Pluto. Clean though. Only little thing I see. So far, nothing major. Nothing major. I'm gonna bring them back. Look out, look out. It's all here, y'all. Radiators, fans, condensers. It's dirty. Dang. I don't remember how I left. Alright. Got the alternator. They been parting my shit out, I think. That's about all I got is the alternator. All the other parts in the trunk. Let me see. That's an out, Pluto. That's an out. Please be some parts in here. 2015 come with the rear view camera. Oh shit. Yeah, I got everything else. I see flywheel. I think. Oh shit. A lot of bolts. They stole my batteries. They would've went bad anyway. Oh, I gotta start it and shit. Oil pump, cooler. They left some of my shit. I guess that's it. 2015. Carpet in the back seats. Need another one of these. Chevy. Lights still look good on. Okay. Clean up on it. Ooh. That converter look like it's gonna fall out that motherfucker. Okay. So they ain't cleaned it up from up under here. So we're about to have it. About to do our thing, yeah. Got the 6 over. Look out. How the interior look anyway. Carpet in this thing.
Alright, man.
I could probably work on the
Yeah, you can set your laptop up,
I
man.
need to show them how. But y'all got to see the interior, you know what I'm saying? Door panels, you know what I'm saying? On the back doors. I'm gonna have to drill me some holes down here for the speaker hole. They ain't got no speaker. I'm gonna put me 612s. We're gonna have to do something with the white. I don't know what all this white do. So we're gonna have to check on that, see how we gonna do. I could probably get my partner to wrap. I like the blue, but it's a little scratched up in some spots, but it's, you know, with a good wash, shit, I'll rock it. It ain't hurting me. What the fuck, baby? Boy, they know how to mistreat my shit, boy. Damn, baby. Been going through it. It ain't rain since. Look out, look out. About to get ready to put the Caprice together, man. Out top, we got the little 6-0. You know what I'm saying? Little 6-0. Look out, look out. We got the little 6-0 in the building. Aluminum, Gen 4. Yeah, Gen 4. I think them, I gotta put my little cam bearings and everything in there. We got the 6.2 heads. You know what I'm saying?
Let me get them right there. Let me get these.
With the 823.
Let me get the 6.3.
Nah, I'm putting in these for the Caprice.
Alright, man.
Got the 823s, got the Manly titanium spring kit on them. Done by Harry. He done got over on me. He done milled my heads down and did an angle valve job. I ain't tell him to, but it's alright. They paid for I got them. We got the ZL1 lid right here for the supercharger. It's about to go down on there. Got the new steering wheel that's gonna go in there with the pedal shifter, so I can be playing with the pedal shift on there, plus the one I got a little ugly. Then we got the ZL1 valve covers with the ZL1 valve covers with the coil packs. We got all the pulleys. We got the tensioner for the that's for that piece right there. That go right there. Link the Delta.
Tell them we got to get the dog, man.
Oh, okay.
We got the world-class cane Corsos.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? We got the world-class cane Corsos. Let them know that, because I'm finna put an LS car together. I might need you. I'll spend my money. You know what I'm saying? But I got the world-class claim Corsos, man. We got the LS's coming for the SN95 model.
Yeah.
Put a heads and Cam Monster in there. So
it's coming soon.
It's coming soon. Yeah.
Got the cane Corso. Hey, I said hey.
What we gonna do? We gonna pack this shit up?
Yeah, we ready to pack it up. I'm just showing them what it is before I get on there. Okay, we got the 955 pulley. That's what's gonna be on the bottom. You know what I'm saying? We got a lot of shit right here, man. We got us some little head studs. They work. Gonna have them on there. Got the supercharger down there, sitting there chilling. Got the new snap, little thing, so I can get that good water coming straight through. Matter of fact, there go the pump. There go the pump right there. Got the Stewart pump, EMP, supposed to be one of the baddest on the market, supposed to be pumping that water. Got a dude to ship that to me from Hawaii. Got the bottom of it sitting there, nitrous plate on it already. It's about to go down, man. Got a little couple of instructions right there. And what else we got? We got the heat exchanger, AFCO, looking like a little radiator with the 2 fans on it. We're gonna make sure they're unplugged up.
Look out.
What we got here? Little old wideband Innovate thing I won on the little raffle, little waffle. This right here to plug it up, make sure it be plugged straight up, plug and play with my stock harness and everything, the supercharger. We got the dual fuel pumps for Innovation. You see it, 2 450s, brand new. Make sure we get that fuel pumping with the new filters and everything. Got the instructions, make sure you do it right. That's the wiring kit in there. Okay, right here we got the Mad Max catch can. We got the ice tank right there. We got the Valvoline 2050 finna get in that thing. That's pretty much it, man. Unless y'all want to see this old nitrous bottle. Look out, man. It's about to go down, man. Y'all stay tuned. We got the world class Cane Corso.
Look at, look
Got
at.
my boy finna build his.
Hey, I had to do it, man. Everybody want to do this LS, man. I need to see what it's about.
He finna get him one to be driving it on the street, man. And we got all this here. It's finna get ready to get put on. Look out.